My appetizer, crisps. This is great. This view's great as well. We're a pick today. It's great. I've been on there already, but I'm going on it again tomorrow. I'm going to wash some clothes, like the luck side. But tonight, I'm having chicken stir fry. What else am I having? Where's my Chardonnay? It's going to be a horseradish pak choi. We're going to cook some pak choi chicken. And yeah, stir fry. Yeah, peanut butter stir fry. Should we have a peanut butter stir fry? That sounds interesting. Oh yeah, let's get to it. Look at that. Been waiting patiently for me. Lovely. Does that go with the chicken? I doubt it. That's amazing. That's risen about 2 meters in the past hour and a half. Wow. For the kindling. It's good kindling. I'm going to use it as a beanbag. Ha! Oh, got some shadow. Fully inflated football. With oil in there. Throw the pak choi in. The wrong way up. Let's have both of them. Halved. Cut down the heart of it. And drizzle a bit on top. Oh, lovely. Supporting Scottish farms. Let's have that chicken on. Salt. The pepper. Yeah, always warm your wood. Give the insects a chance to get off and run away. And put your kindling at the back so it draws a flame that way. In this environment, cook ghost cheese. I add a bit. Cover it. Salt the stir fry. Pesto. I love pesto. We'll have some horseradish on that in a minute. Pesto. Do you like my fancy shots going over in slow motion? I think they're great. It's not gross, it's a remainder of my pickle. Trapped. My stepping stone is completely submerged. I'll have to jump about 7 foot to get... Oh my god. Oh, I got to do it, but I got to jump back at a higher level. Oh god. Oh, I'm an idiot. Just hope I don't drop the phone. Oh. Make that 8 foot. How do I get back? Doesn't matter, I want my mayonnaise. One's a bit loose, but I think I can do it. Oh, my phone. Jesus! That was close! That escapade, put the ghost cheese on top and put a bit of black pepper on. Bit of horseradish over there, only a tiny bit. We haven't got too much flavours, just adds a bit of bite. Sorry, I was so engrossed with Gripper. Oh my God. I forgot to take pictures of my food. I am sorry, I forgot to finish it. It's so funny. Look at the mess I create. I need to build my fire up. I can't get back to my car. I don't know what to do.
If somebody wants to send me money, then I don't even have a way for them to send me some, please.
I will. My battery died on Grippers. I'm gutted. Mr. B Blues, to answer your question, because I couldn't because my battery went, I'm so sorry. Why would I travel 2,000 miles to buy a friendship of a bloke who's in help? Why would I do that? I don't try and buy friendships if I travel that far and spend thousands of pounds trying to help one bloke. Are you deluded? Big up, Gripper. True channel host.